In this video, I will show you how to use the glass effect in File Explorer in Windows 11. Open any browser. Search GitHub Explorer block. Download the release zip file. Extract the zip file. Open the release folder. Edit the config file. Save the file. Open the register CMD file. If the glass effect is not visible, open Settings, go to Personalization, select Color, enable Transparency Effect. Now you can see the glass effect in File Explorer on your Windows 11 desktop.